In a surprising turn of events, Russian President Vladimir Putin's recent address diverged from expectations, presenting a blend of nuclear posturing and domestic pledges. Amid Western apprehensions of potential war declarations, Putin's speech tackled pressing issues with a mix of caution and promise. Addressing concerns over NATO involvement in Ukraine, Putin warned against catastrophic consequences, highlighting Russia's defensive capabilities. Despite escalating tensions, he accused Western leaders of trivializing the conflict, urging recognition of its severity. With Russia's presidential election looming, Putin's speech hinted at an electoral strategy, showcasing a vision for the nation's future. Amid speculation of tension escalation in Transnistria, Putin sidestepped the topic, dismissing rumors of imminent attacks on Europe. Instead, he criticized Western attempts to goad Russia into an arms race while showcasing Moscow's military prowess. Despite facing criticism for Russia's role in Ukraine, Putin reiterated his commitment to defending sovereignty and combating Nazism. Transitioning to domestic affairs, Putin emphasized social initiatives and traditional values, urging healthier lifestyle and increased life expectancy. While addressing concerns over casualties in Ukraine, he honored fallen soldiers and advocated for a more prominent role for veterans. Although his statements may have irked some privileged elites, Putin's speech received applause over 80 times, showcasing apparent support. However, as the election concludes, Russia's brace for potentially unpopular measures and policy shift. Talking about the domestic affairs, Russian President Vladimir Putin also said in his speech that Russian citizens should start doing more babies and stop drinking alcohol. Notably, absent from Putin's address was the mention of Alexei Navalny, his prominent political rival, whose recent passing remains shrouded in controversy. As the nation navigates uncertainty, Putin's speech serves as a barometer of Russia's trajectory, blending political rhetoric with societal aspirations and geopolitical realities.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.